The evolutionary backdrop of reproduction exerts a powerful, often subconscious influence on human motivation, forming a reinforcing loop between the desire to pass on genes, perceptions of fitness, and mate-seeking behavior. From an adaptive perspective, humans evolved mechanisms for rapidly detecting indicators of reproductive fitness, facial symmetry, waist-to-hip ratios, vocal cues, skin clarity, and even subtle olfactory signals associated with immune compatibility. These cues guide perceptions not only of others' attractiveness, but also of one's own value in the mating landscape. As individuals internalize their relative fitness, their motivation to seek partners and invest effort in courtship intensifies accordingly. Here, the reinforcing nature of the triad becomes apparent. When an individual perceives themselves as healthy, attractive, or desirable, mate-seeking behaviors are amplified, and successful engagement in these behaviors further validates one's sense of reproductive potential. That validation, in turn, strengthens the underlying genetic imperative to reproduce, closing the motivational loop. Conversely, when self-perceived fitness is low, due to illness, social comparison, or body image distortions, the drive to seek partners often diminishes, weakening the cycle. However, even diminished confidence doesn't erase the underlying evolutionary programming. It simply moderates how strongly these urges manifest in behavior. This feedback system explains why mating strategies, partner preferences, and fertility-related decision-making vary across environments and individuals. Cultural standards of attractiveness, local sex ratios, and perceived mate availability all influence how strongly the loop operates. But the underlying structure remains constant. The more individuals believe they are well-positioned to pass on their genes, the more actively they pursue opportunities to do so. In this sense, the desire to procreate is neither static nor universally applied, but dynamically shaped by self-perception and social context. This triad highlights how the human drive to reproduce is anchored in both deeply rooted biological imperatives and the continuously updated appraisals individuals make about their place within the evolutionary competition.